Who works on an FPSO? Inside the roles that keep offshore oil running. FPSO vessels are complex engineering systems that act as central hubs in offshore oil and gas operations. These floating platforms extract, process, store, and transfer hydrocarbons in demanding ocean environments, requiring a coordinated and highly specialized workforce. Operating an FPSO depends on a range of roles with distinct responsibilities, skills, and training requirements. Positions such as production control room operator, production assuming, production operator, laboratory technician, and maintenance supervisor each play a critical role in maintaining safe and efficient operations. This places strong emphasis on workforce capability, technical expertise, operational discipline, and continuous training are essential to manage complex systems and sustain performance under offshore conditions. As a result, these roles work together to support the vessel's objectives, ensuring reliability, safety, and effective production across all stages of FPSO operations. The production control room operator plays a central role in FPSO operations, overseeing production systems from the control room to ensure safe and stable performance. Continuous monitoring allows early detection of irregular conditions, while accurate logs and shift reports support operational continuity. This role requires close coordination with the wider production team. Operators guide field personnel during startups, shutdowns, and routine checks, using a strong understanding of control systems and valves. During production pauses, they also support basic maintenance and training activities. Emergency readiness is essential. Strict adherence to procedures and the ability to act quickly under pressure are critical to maintaining safety, health, and environmental standards. To perform effectively, the role requires technical education, production experience, and strong English proficiency. Success depends on analytical thinking, sustained focus, and the ability to make rapid, informed decisions in high-pressure offshore conditions. The production assuming plays a central role in FPSO operations, overseeing production while linking offshore activity with onshore teams. Close coordination ensures production targets are met and operations remain aligned. The role focuses on performance management, including improving efficiency, monitoring operations, and identifying cost-saving opportunities within budget constraints. It also involves long-term planning, from annual budgets to production strategies. Operational oversight is key. The assuming reviews reports, investigates issues, and works with maintenance teams to ensure equipment reliability, while guiding the safe operation of systems such as gas compression and water injection. Planning for materials and spare parts is also part of the role. This position combines technical expertise with leadership, managing teams, directing contractors, and ensuring compliance with safety procedures requires strong communication and decision-making skills. To perform effectively, an engineering background, offshore experience, and knowledge of FPSO systems are typically required. Success depends on combining technical understanding with strategic oversight to ensure safe and consistent production. The production operator performs essential field tasks, working under the direction of the control room operator and supervisor to maintain daily operations. Responsibilities include starting and stopping equipment, isolating systems, and preparing them for operation or maintenance in line with established procedures. The role involves hands-on system control, operating well-controlled tools, process valves, and monitoring equipment requires close attention to detail and strict adherence to operational standards. Coordination with other departments and onshore teams supports efficiency and continuity. Emergency readiness is also important. Participation in response teams and regular training ensures operators can act quickly in critical situations. To perform effectively, a technical diploma or certification is typically required, along with offshore experience or structured training. Success depends on practical problem-solving, physical resilience, and consistent adherence to safety procedures. The laboratory technician plays a key role in maintaining quality and safety on an FPSO, working within strict health, safety, and environmental guidelines. The role focuses on analyzing samples of oil, gas, water, and glycol to provide accurate data for operational decisions. This is closely linked to process control. Daily tasks include preparing reports, calibrating equipment, and managing chemical injection to maintain system balance. Safe handling and storage of chemicals, along with secure sample transport, are essential for compliance and reliability. Operational discipline is critical. Maintaining supplies, interpreting results accurately, and following permit and isolation procedures support consistent and safe performance. To perform effectively, the role requires a background in chemistry or a related field, along with laboratory experience and knowledge of process systems. Success depends on precision, analytical thinking, and a methodical approach, with safety as the top priority. The maintenance supervisor plays a critical role in ensuring the reliability of FPSO operations, overseeing mechanical systems under the direction of the offshore installation manager. Responsibilities include reviewing technical plans, supervising installations, and identifying improvements to enhance safety and efficiency. The role is central to maintaining system integrity and performance. Equipment testing, condition monitoring, and the use of maintenance systems, such as AMOS, support structured upkeep, while compliance with standards and planned inspections ensures operational continuity. Coordination and planning are essential. Scheduling work, preparing for shutdowns, managing spare parts, and maintaining tools help prevent disruptions, while addressing breakdowns and tracking issues strengthens reliability. This position combines technical expertise with leadership. Training teams and conducting safety briefings require clear communication and strong organizational skills. To perform effectively, a background in mechanical engineering and offshore experience are typically required. Success depends on proactive management, attention to detail, and the ability to lead in demanding offshore conditions. The cargo supervisor plays a crucial role in FPSO operations, managing deck and cargo activities under the direction of the chief mate. The position ensures that personnel operate efficiently and in line with international regulations and company standards, supporting overall vessel performance. The role is closely tied to operational control. Assisting with stability calculations before ballasting or lifting operations keeps the vessel within safe limits, while coordinating crane activities, ballast adjustments, and support vessels ensures smooth cargo handling. Documentation and compliance are key responsibilities. Maintaining charts, certifications, and equipment records supports regulatory requirements and inspection readiness. Safety remains a priority. Monitoring conditions, maintaining firefighting and life-saving equipment, and participating in drills ensure preparedness and effective emergency response. Communication is equally important, supporting situational awareness and operational coordination. As a result, the role demands precision, leadership, and strong decision-making, along with the ability to perform effectively under dynamic offshore conditions. FPSO operations rely on a wide range of specialized roles and training to maintain safe and efficient performance offshore. From control room operators managing systems to superintendents providing oversight, each position contributes to the coordination required for continuous production. This creates a balanced operational structure. Production operators handle field tasks, laboratory technicians ensure quality and accuracy, and maintenance supervisors maintain equipment reliability, forming an integrated workflow across the vessel. Core skills are essential across all roles. Problem-solving, clear communication, and a strong focus on safety underpin daily operations, supported by technical qualifications such as certifications, diplomas, and engineering degrees. As a result, effective teamwork ensures that FPSO systems operate smoothly under demanding offshore conditions. The combination of technical expertise and coordinated effort sustains reliable oil and gas production while maintaining high safety standards.